Okay, Stephen, I got a little demonstration video here for you of the custom NavLight sets we've built for your C-130 Hercules. This is the main circuit board. This is the one that will be controlling all of the navigation lights and the strobes. And you'll see up here in the top corner this little push button switch right there. That's what you'll use to choose from the three different patterns that you'll have on your simulated rotating beacon. This board off to the side here is your landing light circuit, and we decided to make this one separate from the navigation lights so that this one can be wide off of your landing gear, your retract controller on channel 5. So I'll demonstrate that one to you in a minute. I wanted to demonstrate them separately so you could see what all's going on here, because there's a lot going on. This is your external battery, 2-cell LiPo battery that we're going to use to power the navigation lights. Now the landing lights are going to be powered from your BEC, from your receiver power, because those four little 5mm LEDs only draw about 20 to 25 milliamps a piece. So you're only talking about 100 milliamps maximum when all four of them are on. So your battery or your BEC will never even know they are there. This circuit, on the other hand, because we've got so many of the 8mm LEDs that draw 100 milliamps each, you're talking about a lot more power here, so that's why we decided to go with an external power or external battery. And then this is my servo tester, and I'm just using this to provide the signal so that the NavLight circuits, so I can show you the three different modes. So I'm going to advance the servo tester. Now this is mode 1, where everything is off. And then as you advance the channel a little bit over the quarter channel position, you'll see that your beacons and your strobes have come on. Now let me show you just quickly here. These are the two asynchronous strobes. These are number 9 and 10 on your chart, 8mm white. And then these are your two red strobes and your one simulated rotating beacon. This is the simulated rotating beacon and the two strobes. Now, as I said, you've got three patterns for the simulated rotating beacon, and it's really just the speed of the beacon. This is the fastest position. I'm going to press this button twice, and that'll take it to the slowest rotation. You'll notice now that the simulated speed of the rotation on that beacon is much slower, and so is the timing on the strobes. So the circuit remembers your setting, so that once you've selected the one you like, then about 15 or 20 seconds after you choose it, it stores it to memory so that it'll come on in that mode every time until you change it. Now these are your navigation lights. I'm going to advance the channel a little further, and you'll see them come on. You got your red left wingtip and your white position light. This is the green 8mm. I'm trying to see what I'm doing here. Green 8mm with white, and then this is the 8mm white position light for the tail. So again, this is mode 3, where everything is on, all your nav lights, and then we'll back it back down, and you'll see that's off. This is mode 1, and this is mode 2. So you can go from one to the other, and once you set your mixes in your transmitter, you'll be able to switch from mode 1, which is all your lights off. Mode 2 is your strobes and beacons, and then mode 3 turns your navigation lights on. So I'm going to make a separate video because I can't change the plugs out on this circuit, but I'll upload a second one here in just a second for the landing lights. Thanks, Stephen.